My name is Koushik. I am from Warangal, Telangana. I am a mechanical graduate from passed out batch 2024. After my graduation, I was studying for and applying government jobs and studying. So at one time, I thought, why not we try joining in mechanical core industries? So when I asked my brother about this, he suggested HCL GUVI CAD course. So through him, I started the processing joining in the HCL GUVI CAD course. Before joining this CAD course, I have a basic level. After joining this course and completion, I have now about intermediate to advanced level of the knowledge about how to read engineering drawings, how to study the GD&T symbols. So what kind of materials can be added and how design for manufacturing and assemblies are assigned. After the first class, I thought 3 hours class period is very long. How can I listen to all this in one sitting? So after 2-3 classes, I have started adjusting, and after it, I have joined interestingly and listened every class without missing one. If I'm absent, then another day, next day, I started listening the previous classes and have practiced on the softwares what mentors taught us. So first AutoCAD, then SolidWorks, then CATIA, then the GD&T concepts. I think any industry, the designing is very important. So I think by these softwares, I think I can join industry and improve my skills. For example, many car industries are using CATIA for surface modeling, for designing seats or car exterior parts or interior parts. It's a great opportunity for freshers like me. Without any guide or any help, we can approach mentors and we can get in very better placement without any references. First, know about the softwares, why you want to join this course. Are you willing to give some time to this course without hurrying up or just listening by class? Okay, I know this software, I can now directly apply for a job. I want to advise them to have patience and listening to class and practice well.